In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages in Wix Studio. If you want to organize your website navigation more clearly, creating subpages is a great way to do it. Subpages let you group related content under a main page, which helps keep your menu cleaner and makes it easier for visitors to browse your site. To begin, open the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside your project, go to the left-hand panel and click on Pages. This is where you can view your current site structure and create new pages for your website. At the bottom of the Pages panel, click Add New Page. Wix Studio will give you options for the type of page you want to create, such as a standard page or a dynamic page. Choose the page type that best fits your content, then give the page a clear and recognizable name. Using a descriptive name is helpful because it makes your site structure easier to manage later, especially if your website has multiple sections. After creating the page, go to your menu and click Manage Menu. This is where you control which pages appear in your site navigation. At the bottom, click Add Item. Then choose Site Pages. You will now see a list of available pages on your website. Find the newly created page, select its checkbox, and then click Add to Menu. This makes the page available in your site's navigation so you can organize it properly. Now comes the key part of turning that page into a subpage. In the menu management area, locate the page you just added. Next to it you will see 6 dots on the left side. Click and hold those 6 dots to grab the page. Drag the page directly underneath the main page you want it to belong to. Then move it slightly to the right. As you do this, watch for the page to become indented. That indentation is the visual confirmation that the page is now nested under the main page as a subpage. This small adjustment is what creates a parent and child page structure in your menu. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how professional and organized your site feels. Take a moment to review the menu structure and make sure the page is placed exactly where you want it. Clear navigation helps your visitors find information faster and creates a better user experience overall. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.